Do you know that as a content creator on YouTube, once you can critically understand what works on your channel, you'll be able to effectively grow your subscriber base. And in today's video, I'm going to take you into the YouTube studio. There is actually a part of our analytics section that contains a powerful graph. Now, with this graph, you can be able to tell the exact days, all right, that you got a lot of subscribers on your channel. Now you'll also be able to understand the exact videos that got you this number of subscribers on your channel. Do you know that once you can have this in mind, you'll be able to, number one, it's not like you're just following the general term or the general strategy that people are giving you, do this and then you will get subscribers. No, this one you'll be doing exactly what is working for your own channel. You'll be using it to increase your subscribers, and trust me, this will really help you to grow. And not just help you to grow, but will also help you to understand how your channel works and what works best for your channel. I'll also teach you how you can now use these things to actually get more videos that would really resonate with what you do on your channel, and resonate with what will actually attract people into your channel. Do you understand? I got this particular secret, and you all know, as my wonderful students who are looking to grow on YouTube, I do not gatekeep. Whatever it is that I know is going to help you, I'll come here and teach you. So I'm going to go straight and explain to you in the simplest way. So please, you want to go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and you're welcome to join this family. That means subscribe now. Do not forget to leave me a beautiful comment. Thank you. So let's go. So what you want to do now is to just come over to this place, this analytics that's right here, and then tap on it. Okay, once you tap on it, right, you're going to see your channel overview, but this is where we are going to this part that says subscribers. So you just tap on it, and mind you, this particular overview that you're going to see here is the one that is that covers for the past 28 days on your channel. Okay, so you want to tap on subscribers, and then once you tap on subscribers, you can see this beautiful graph that is right here. This graph has a lot to tell about your number of subscribers. Number one, you can look at the way the graph is moving from down. It went down, went up. You can see it spiking up here, went down. All these are your subscribers. Oh, the way your subscribers were coming or either leaving. Do you understand? For example, if you move to the right here, you're going to see here where it says, you can see just look at what I'm going to show you here, the numbers that are here. Can you see? You can see minus 15, you can see 0, you can see 15, you can see 30. So there are sometimes some subscribers might be leaving. You can be able to tell from this place. Sometimes you'll be getting more. You'll be getting more. So now if we look down here also, you can see right here, you can see the dates. So you can see from 17th February, 22nd, 26th, and all of that. So this is what you're going to do. Once you come here, whether I'm using my phone right now, if you're using your system, it's still the same thing. So now that I'm using my phone, I'll just come here. Let's assume I tap on this highest peak. If I go there, I will see Saturday, 22nd February 2025. I got 29 subscribers. If I come here, let me tap on this low one here, or any place. You can see on Tuesday, 25th 2025, I got just 1 subscriber. That's the thing. If I see Monday, 3rd March, I got 9 subscribers. So what you want to do now, okay, this graph is going to help you with a lot, because you will keep seeing every subscriber for every day. So what you're going to do now is to come over to this place that says see more. Okay, just tap on that particular place and let it load up. Now that it has loaded up, I'm going to show you something in a moment, but let's look at this. You can see this particular graph here. Okay, so this is just the graph for your subscribers, right? So what you want to now do is look at the colors of this graph. Look at what it is showing you here. So this graph is showing you like for example, if you see green, you know that this is the video, this one that has green. If you see purple, you know it is this particular video. So you will see that there are 2 spikes here. That means these 2 particular videos gave me the highest number of subscribers in the last 28 days. Do you understand? So let's look at those videos. Number 1, I have the first one here. The second one, this is it. So let's see how many subscribers I actually got from them. So if I move, I can see that this one gave me 118 subscribers, while this one gave me 30 subscribers. That's in the last 28 days. Do you understand? So now let me tell you what you want to do. if you want to, before we go into what you want to do, you can also be able to tell, you can come here to change the day. So let's assume you want to tell the number of um subscribers that you were able to get in a wider range of time. You can just come here to this arrow here and tap on it. So if you want in the last 365 days, tap on it, it will give it to you. If you want in the last 90 days, tap on it, it will give it to you. Any one you want. So let us just do the last 7 days. Okay, look at the graph. Can you see the graph has reduced? So there are no huge spikes. So let's just, okay, has moved. So you can see that in the last 7 days, this one gave me 28 subscribers. This one gave me 10 subscribers. Just hold that. I'm going to teach you something. So what you want to now do, let's go back to, let's see in the last 30 days. So we can see here in the last 90 days, you can see there are like 3 different colors are prominent. We have the purple, we have the red, we have the yellow color. Okay, so these are the 3 videos. So these are the 3 videos that actually gave you the most number of subscribers. So I'm going to come to this particular video, maybe the first one. So what you want to do is to now come back to this particular place here where you have your videos. Okay, so locate that particular video. So this is that particular video. I'm just going to tap on it. Then come over here. Let me zoom in. Come over here to where you have subtitles. Tap on subtitles. Just allow it to load up. So this is the subtitle. This is it. What you're going to do now is to select all. Look at select all here. Select everything, then copy. Okay. Once you copy, then go over to ChatGPT and just type, give me 2. You can give it any numbers you want, but let me do, give me 2 other versions of this YouTube script. I want to create 2 similar videos. I want to create 2 similar videos, and please do not forget to paste the script. So once you have pasted it, just send it. So you can see it here. Here are 2 alternative versions of your script with slight variations in approach, tone, and content to make them feel fresh while delivering the same core message. So the first one is the hidden YouTube setting that changes everything. Guys, this is unbelievable. If your channel isn't getting views, subscribers, you're probably missing one crucial feature. So it will give you a lot. Do you understand? A lot. Then this is version 2, the secret YouTube setting that made my videos go viral. It will give you another video. So with this, you can create that type of video again for your channel, and it is going to still drive in more views and more subscribers. Aren't you happy? I always love to make you happy. Do not forget, I take YouTube one-on-one coaching sessions and also video editing one-on-one coaching sessions. If this sounds like what you are interested in, you want to go ahead to my description box. You will see a link that redirects you to my seller store. Click on that link and get registered for any of the packages. All right, I also have a beautiful, comprehensive, and beginner-friendly course on video editing. So you want to go ahead and also purchase that course and have that video editing for yourself, lifetime. Yes, and also access to me, of course. Okay, thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you on my next video. Go binge watch my other videos. Bye.